Hi there, my name is Christy Campbell and I am part of the group that is doing the consulting project for Freshbeards, and I'm presenting round 2, which is the WACC computation. So we have the beta T-bill rate, S&P 500, and then we calculated the CAPM return using those three. And then what we did is we have the average, which is the mortgage loan amount, then the average of the common stock, and the average of retained earnings. We added those up, got the total down here, and then for the proportion column, what we did is we calculated these percentages by taking each average number and dividing it by the total, and that's how we got the percentage proportion, added it up to 100. Then for the rate, what we did is we researched these percentages, so we determined that 3.4% was about the rate for this mortgage loan for the building, and then the 10% was the interest rate for the extra bank loan, which we don't have any, and then the 14.3 is just the CAPM return amount up there. And then the tax adjusted number we got by taking this rate amount, timesing it by 1 minus the average income tax rate, which our average income tax rate was about 46%. And then we did that for each individual item as well, except the CAPM rate just stays the same for the common stock and retained earnings. And then for the weighted, what we did is we took the proportion times the tax adjusted amount and then did that for each item, added it together, and got the WACC amount of 13.37. And this actually isn't too much of a difference from our previous calculation of WACC. It's only off actually by, or a difference of about 1%. Our previous, for the reason for the change is probably due to retained earnings. On the prior spreadsheet that we calculated, we had a little bit lower expenses. We went ahead and changed some of the expenses in order to accommodate to get IRR and WACC to somewhat equal closely, and so our retained earnings changed a bit, and which probably caused our WACC to change a little as well. But that is our WACC computation.